Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 23. My name is Walter. Today we are going to work on combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. Straight, let's start with this question here. We have in the bracket 2 over 5 plus 3 over 10 divided by in the bracket 2 over 5, take away 3 over 10 in the bracket. Here we are going to use BODMAS. I will start to work on brackets first. I will start with the first bracket. 2 over 5 plus 3 over 10. LCM is going to be 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 2, I get 4. Plus 10 divided by 10, I get 1. 1 multiplied by 3, I'll get 3. Then I'll drop division sign. The LCM to the second bracket is 10. 10 divided by 5, I get 2. 2 times 2, I'll get 4. Take away 10 divided by 10, it's 1. 1 times 3, I'll get 3. 4 plus 3, it is 7 over 10 divided by 4, take away 3, I get 1 over 10. Already we have finished with the bracket. Let's go to another operation. According to BODMAS, we don't have off, but we have division. So now let's move to division. Here we are going to keep the first fraction, that is 7 over 10, and then we are going to change the sign into multiplication. After that, we are going to reciprocate the second fraction, that is going to be 10 over 1. We can simplify here. By 10 we get 1, by 10 we get 1. This will give us 7 multiplied by 1, we get 7, over 1 multiplied by 1, we get 1. So our answer is equal to 7. Hope you get idea on how to work with combined operation on fraction using BODMAS. For more video on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.